So right now we're gonna draw Narumi. Right now he's not so popular, I know it, but I think in the future he will be. We should draw the line after this thing. So like this, add some details and make a hair again. I know, usually we're gonna draw the nose and other things is other stuff like circle, this lazy things is. Unfortunately, but I have tried it. I have tried a lot of time drawing with circles, but you know, I can't draw like this. I have tried a lot of time, but good results were like 0, you know. Okay, we draw the eye. Actually, here we're gonna draw the hair stuff. I don't know how it's named, but you know, we are doing something with his haircut. Okay, we have done it. We are drawing continue his hair, but you know, I think we should draw something like this first of all. Here we have a mask, here we have something, and here we have air. We'll do something like this. After we're gonna going up. Right now, this is the center. Make the same distance here. It's gonna be a little bit easier when you will know the distance between of the face, you know. if you will not make it, your arm gonna be long a little bit. So here is the end, you know. So we make this point. Actually, we come to this point and make something like this stuff. It's first time I think when I'm drawing hair first. So the face. But you know, we have the mask on the face, so it's not that bad, I think. It's not really bad. So we have done it. We will add some details after. Right now we should draw his eye. And the mask. Starting on a center, a little bit here. Draw something like this. To the eye. Here we make a little bit smaller the stuff. Right now we make this detail and make a circle right there. You should make it a little bit bigger. I think I made it too small. Just my opinion. You can agree with it, you cannot, that's your choice. You can do wherever you want, actually. So we have done it. Here we should make the second one of the stuff, of the circle. So we have done it. What else? What we're gonna do after this? It says here we make a mask and a ear right there. Same stuff here. Here we can draw his ear a little bit higher right here. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Like this. That's everything what you have to. You can draw his spider stuff like this, and here to the spider stuff. Oh, you're flying here. What are you doing? We make the body a little bit. So we have end our work. Very good, I think. Just my opinion. I will add some details. That's it. You have drawn it.